Once you have enabled materials inventory tracking in BenchWorks by clicking the Edit pencil in the profile and checking Enable Materials, clicking OK, you'll now be able to see materials inventory in the Inventory tab, as well as recipes and the products. To add inventory, go to the Materials Inventory tab, and then you can click on the Add Materials button. Here, if you have already added some materials, you can add in more items as you purchase them. If you have not yet added materials, you will click on the Quick Add button. Once you start adding stuff, you can click from what is automatically populated in the drop-down and edit it for easy adds. You'll enter the unit of measurement that you calculate your price in. So that might be per piece, per carat, per gram, per ounce, however you price in your pricing formula to sell it. It doesn't really matter how you buy it, because you might buy things in penny weights and convert it to grams. Whatever you do on your end, how you price it and when you are selling it is what matters. And once you've done the quick add, it is shown here as materials that you could possibly purchase. So you'll add in however many you have on hand at the time, and then subsequently every time you reorder it, you will come in here and add those. So I just have 2 of these on hand. And at the bottom, you can see how much you have on hand, as well as you can export it.